bells ring in the distance. I can hear them through the trees, like a whisper from the heavens, carried gently on the breeze. The choir sings so softly, but I know the song by heart. It's the sound of peace arriving, as this world and I now part.
Spirit, lead me to the throne. I'm tired but not alone. I gave my life in quiet grace. Now I long to see His face. No more tears, no need to roam. I'm ready now, please take me home. Through golden gates where angels dwell, I walk toward the sound of church bells.
I lived a life in silence, no spotlight on my name, but I fed the hungry, clothed the poor, and loved without a claim. Now the room is filled with stillness, but my heart is filled with praise for every step that brought me here to see the end of days. Don't mourn for me, don't weep too long. My soul's already gone to join the saints in perfect song, where pain can't linger on.